Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When winter comes around, we all know what to expect for the next few months. Unless you are on the opposite side of the globe. Lucky you. Anyway, comfort food is what we're looking for. A category that we all enjoy during this time of year is soup and chowder. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my corn chowder. Actually, it's not mine, but David's recipe. With the smokiness from the bacon, this chowder is so flavorful and satisfying. This dish can easily turn into a meal on its own when served with fresh crusty bread. This corn chowder will definitely warm you up. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a 4-quart pot over medium-high heat, we'll add the bacon and saute until it begins to brown, about 5 to 6 minutes. To this, we'll add red onions, stir constantly, and cook until they become translucent and soft, about 3 minutes. Then we'll add chopped carrots, celery, red peppers, and diced potatoes. We'll reduce the heat to medium and stir the ingredients constantly for the next 3 minutes. To this, we'll pour in our hot chicken broth, stir very well, cover, and cook for 30 minutes. During that time though, we'll stir the mixture occasionally. So when half an hour is up, we'll give another good stir before adding the cream-style corn and the corn kernels. We'll also pour in some milk as well as heavy cream. We'll season with dried basil and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir again to combine all the ingredients, increase the heat, and bring the chowder to a boil. We'll reduce the heat to medium-low, stir, and let it simmer gently for 30 minutes. And my friends, this is our corn chowder. Original and easy to make, this flavorful chowder is a must-try, especially during the cold winter months. Incredibly tasty, I'm positive this recipe will become one of your family favorites. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!